This tutorial is 33 minutes long. An agent should not need to replay it from second 0. Squish turns the video into a time-addressable map. The overview shows the blank canvas, the page sections, the portfolio, the contact area, and the completed preview. ChatGPT keeps the question, overview, and prior observations connected. From that coherent context, Codex targets the final 84 seconds for a closer look. One targeted zoom makes the transition visible. At 32 minutes, 27.5 seconds, the editor gives way to the completed page. The timestamp is verified in the source. Visual overview works when a state persists, but brief events can fall between ordinary visual samples. These 22 one-minute camera clips look almost identical. The event exists for only a moment, and the founder did not remember which clip contained it. Squish does not identify or classify the sound. It adds normalized audio activity on the same absolute timeline, marking where a signal change deserves a closer look. The activity signal narrows the search to a 6-second window. A denser visual zoom then shows a person briefly appearing at the edge of the doorway. The source confirms the sequence. The doorway is clear, the person appears, and the doorway is clear again. Audio navigated, vision confirmed. Both examples use the same agent workflow. Build an overview, choose a candidate, zoom, and verify against the source instead of replaying from 0. ChatGPT maintained continuity, connected the evidence, and kept the story coherent. Codex implemented and tested the extension, operated Squish, verified the evidence, and built this demo. Agents do not need to replay video from 0. They need an address map.